Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you will be fine by the grace of Allah. Here the social studies of class 4. And today we are going to know about our land and its people and its chapter population explosion on textbook page number 8. And today we are going to know about the population, Abadi. First of all, we should know what the population is. How can you define it? Yes, you can define in this way. The total number of people living in a particular area is called population. For further information, let's see here. The population is increasing in Pakistan. When Pakistan came into being in 1947, there were 40 million people. The bar chart shows how fast the population is growing. By 2013, the population had increased to about 182.1 million. The population of Pakistan is expected to grow to 110 million in the year 2020. Students, you can see here the bar chart. 40 million population, which is gradually increasing, and in 2020 its figure is 210 million. Let's see the reasons behind it. Why the population is growing rapidly? The first one is more children are being born, lack of awareness about family planning, improved standard of living, high life expectancy. Students, now you can see the pictures here. How the population increases puts pressure on our environment. यानी किस तरह बढ़ती हुई आबादी हमारे environment को spoil कर रही है. Now turn out to page number 10. Its related topic, population trend. Punjab has the largest population. यानी पंजाब जो है वो एक thick populated province है. Balochistan is the largest province, but it has the least number of people according to its size. यानी साइज़ में वो ये बड़ा है, बट पॉपुलेशन या आबादी या यहाँ पे लोग बहुत कम हैं. द टेरेन ऑफ बलूचिस्तान इज़ रफ़ एंड रगड. बलूचिस्तान की जो सरजमीन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुरदरी और रफ़ है. इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर पीपल टू सर्वाइव in such living conditions. The plains of Punjab are fertile, so it is heavily populated. There are many jobs available because there are many industries located there. पंजाब चूँकि एक फर्टाइल सरजमीन है, दैट्स वाई यहाँ पे आबादी भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. And now you can see the population trend here. Green area is showing Punjab, 56% population. This area is showing, as you can see, Sindh. Now this area is showing the province Sindh, 17%. Next one, Gilgit-Baltistan, and you can see the 5% here. Next one is Balochistan, and you can see here Balochistan 10%. And next one is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, in short form is KPK, 12%. Students, you can see the map of Pakistan here. Punjab, first of all, Punjab is a thick populated province. Next one, Sindh. Balochistan has least population according to its size. यानी इसका जो साइज़ है, इसका जो एरिया है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है, बट इसकी पॉपुलेशन उसके लिहाज से बहुत कम है. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ खैबर पख्तूनख्वा, और सबसे कम आबादी या पॉपुलेशन वो गिलगित बाल्टिस्तान में है, 5%. And students, now try to know about the disadvantages of overpopulation. जब पॉपुलेशन एक हद से बढ़ जाती है तो उसके क्या नुकसानात होते हैं, डिमेरिट्स क्या होते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई टू नो अबाउट द डिमेरिट्स ऑफ ओवर पॉपुलेशन. Natural resources are running out because more people are using them. First of all, try to know about the term natural resources. What are natural resources? Things that we get from earth are called natural resources. For example, water, forest, air, mountains, plants, minerals, gemstones, rocks, salt and soil are all natural resources. There are water shortage in areas resulting in less water irrigation. This reduces crop yields, so there is less food and more hungry and malnourished people. Malnourished people कौन से होते हैं? जो कम दर्जे की खुराक पाने वाले लोग होते हैं. With increasing number of people, there are fewer jobs available and more unemployment and poverty. जब लोग ज़्यादा होंगे डेफिनेटली जॉब्स भी बहुत कम अवेलेबल होंगी, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ज़्यादा होगी, पॉवर्टी मीन्स गुर्बत ज़्यादा होगी. People migrate to cities in search of jobs. Fewer people in villages means less farming, which leads to reduced crops and foods. Definitely जब लोगों का रुझान शहरों की तरफ ज़्यादा होगा तो फार्मिंग पे भी लोगों की अटेंशन कम होगी, और जब फार्मिंग कम होगी, काश्तकारी कम होगी, इन द एंड हमारी जो क्रॉप्स की प्रोडक्शन होगी वो भी बहुत कम हो जाएगी. More forests are cut down and more land is taken to build houses. There are not enough houses for people moving to cities. There are not enough houses. घर भी कम होंगे, यानी इतने मुनासिब नहीं होंगे लोगों के लिए मूविंग टू सिटीज़. जब लोग शहरों की तरफ रुझान उनका ज़्यादा होगा तो डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे घरों की जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो भी ज़्यादा होगी, और जब लोग ज़्यादा होंगे तो डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे हाउसेस कम अवेलेबल होंगे. More traffic and pollution is generated because there are more vehicles on roads. And students, you can see here, due to overpopulation, heavy traffic here, and this heavy traffic is polluting our environment. You can see homeless people when trees are cut down, congested areas. जब एरियाज़ कंजेस्टेड होंगे और इस तरह से सिचुएशन होगी तो बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान होने का अंदेशा रहता है. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ यू विल रीड पेज नंबर 8, 10 and 11 and try to make your reading more effective. And next we will do our question answer in exercise related to our population. Take care of yourself, students.